Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to StartSpeak English, the podcast that helps you speak English with confidence, step by step, day by day.
Hey everyone, so happy you're here with us today. Whether you're listening on YouTube, on your phone, or during your commute, welcome. You are in the right place.
I'm Anna,
And I'm Mike.
and today, I'm so excited about this episode. We're talking about something super practical, something you will use in real life, maybe even tomorrow.
That's right. Today's topic is how to explain your job in English.
Yes, we're going to teach you simple, easy sentences to talk about your work, your job, your career, all of it in English.
And don't worry if your English is not perfect yet. This episode is made for you. We keep it simple, we keep it clear, and we make it fun.
So grab your coffee, grab your notebook, and get ready to learn. Let's go.
Okay, Anna, let's start with a question. When do people ask you about your job?
Oh, all the time. You meet someone at a party, you go to a job interview, you talk to a new colleague. Someone asks, "So, what do you do?"
And what happens when you don't know how to answer in English?
Disaster. You freeze. You say something like, I, work thing, and then you smile awkwardly and hope they stop asking.
Yes, we've all been there, but after today, that's not going to happen anymore, right?
Right. After this episode, you will know what to say. You will feel ready. You will feel confident.
Because we are going to cover 5 big things today, 5 topics. Anna, tell them what we have.
Of course, we will teach you how to, number 1, introduce your job. Number 2, talk about your daily tasks. Number 3, describe your workplace. Number 4, talk about your skills and experience. And number 5, talk about your future career goals.
5 topics, lots of sentences, lots of practice. Let's do this.
Okay, Mike, let's start with the basics. How do you introduce your job?
This is the most important part. When someone meets you for the first time, they often ask, "What do you do?" or "What is your job?"
And the answer is simple. You say, I am a job title. For example, I am a teacher. I am an engineer. I am a doctor. I am a nurse. I am a designer.
It's that simple, just 3 words. I am a, and then your job.
Now, Mike, let's practice together. I'll ask you and you answer. Ready?
Ready.
So, Mike, what do you do?
I'm a podcast host.
Perfect. And you can also say, I work as a job title.
For example, I work as a teacher. I work as an accountant. I work as a software developer.
This is great because it sounds very natural. People use this all the time. Now, listeners, it's your turn. Think about your job. Say it out loud. Say, I am a blank, or I work as a blank. Go ahead. Pause if you need to think, then come back.
We'll wait for you.
Great. Now let's add a little more information. Where do you work?
You can say, I work at place. For example, I work at a hospital. I work at a school. I work at a tech company. I work at a bank. I work at home.
Or you can say, I work for company. For example, I work for Google. I work for a small business. I work for the government.
Let's put it all together now.
Okay, I am a teacher. I work at a primary school.
I work as an engineer. I work for a construction company.
I am a nurse. I work at a big hospital in the city.
See how easy that is?
Repeat after me. I am a your job. I work at your workplace. Say it out loud.
Yes, speaking out loud is very important.
Be brave.
One more sentence. I work for myself. This means you are your own boss.
I love that one. Okay, let's do a quick practice. Mike, I'll be a stranger.
Okay.
Hi, nice to meet you. What do you do?
Hi, nice to meet you too. I'm a podcast host. I work for a YouTube channel called StartSpeak English.
That sounds great. And where do you work?
I work from home.
Perfect, short and natural.
Try this with a friend or even alone. Now let's talk about daily tasks.
People often ask, what do you do at work?
You can say, I blank every day. For example, I teach students. I help customers. I write reports. I manage a team. I fix computers.
Or, my job is to verb.
Example, my job is to teach English. My job is to answer emails.
Mike, what do you do every day?
I record podcasts, edit audio, and drink coffee.
Honest answer.
Repeat after me. I help customers solve problems.
I write reports for my manager.
I teach students.
Great job.
You can also add time. Every day. Usually. Sometimes.
Example, every morning I check emails. Sometimes I travel.
Now a full answer. I am an accountant. I work at a company. Every day, I check records and write reports.
Try to make your own version. Now let's describe your workplace.
You can say, I work in an office. I work at a hospital. I work from home.
Add adjectives: big, small, busy, quiet, friendly.
Example, I work in a big office. I work in a small shop. I work from home. It is quiet.
Mike, describe your workplace.
I work from home. It's small but comfortable.
Nice.
You can also talk about people. I work alone. I work with a team. I manage a team.
Repeat. I work with a team.
My workplace is friendly.
Great. Now, skills and experience.
Say, I am good at. Examples, I'm good at communication. I'm good at solving problems.
Or, I have good communication skills.
Now experience. I have 3 years of experience.
If you are new, say, I'm a recent graduate. I'm eager to learn.
Repeat, I have 2 years of experience.
I am good at teamwork.
Great job.
Now, future goals.
Say, I want to. Examples, I want to become a manager. I want to improve my skills.
Or, my goal is to
Example, my goal is to succeed.
add time. In 5 years, I hope to.
Repeat, my goal is to succeed.
In the future, I want to learn more.
Excellent.
Now let's put everything together.
Example, hello, my name is Sarah. I'm a teacher. I work at a school. Every day, I teach students and prepare lessons. I have 3 years of experience. I'm good at communication. My goal is to become a senior teacher.
Simple and clear.
Now create your own version.
Quick review. I am a job. I work at place. I am good at skill. I have experience. My goal is to.
Practice these every day.
And don't forget, speak out loud.
Before we finish, avoid mistakes. Say, I am a teacher, not I teacher.
Use correct verbs. Write reports. Teach students.
And speak slowly.
Yes, take your time.
Final bonus phrases. I am a quick learner. I am motivated. I am a team player.
Great for interviews. Okay, everyone, we are at the end of today's episode of StartSpeak English.
Today, you learned how to talk about your job, your tasks, your skills, and your goals.
Keep practicing every day.
And don't forget, speak out loud.
If you liked this episode, please like the video and subscribe to StartSpeak English.
We post new lessons every week.
We believe in you.
Keep learning, keep speaking.
This is StartSpeak English.
See you next time.
Bye.